Hello children, in this video we will discuss about the types of terms. Okay, there are two types of terms. One is like term and second is unlike term. What is the difference between them? Let's see. Two terms are like if they have same variable with same power. Okay, two terms are like if they have same variable with same power. Two terms are unlike if they have different variable or same variable with different power. Okay, now understand with a couple of examples. Okay, consider two terms 7xy and 15xy. Are these terms are like or unlike? Remember, to know the type we have to look at the variable, not the constant. Okay, and what are the variables? Variables are the any alphabet from A to Z are the variables, and any number 1, 2 infinite are called constants. Okay, so we have to look at the variable, not the constant. Both these terms have the same variable x and y. These are the variables and these are constants. Okay, so these two variables have the same variable. These two terms have the same variable x and y. But this is not enough to tell these are like or unlike term. The next thing we need to compare is the power of each variable. Okay, so here the power of x in each case is 1. The power of x is 1, and here also the power of x is 1. So, and the next is the power of y is 1, and here the y is 1. As both these conditions, both the variables have the same power, x have 1 and 1, y has 1 and 1. Okay, both the variables have the same power. So, as both these conditions are satisfied, we can say that these terms are like terms. These terms are like terms. Okay. Now, what about 3x square y and 3x y cube? Are they like or unlike term? Both the terms have the same variable. Look at here. Both the terms have same variable x and y. X, y and y. Both the terms have same variable. Now let's compare the power of each variable. Okay. Look at the power of x first. In this term, it's 2, and in the second term, it's 1. Okay, it's not the same. Here, the variable are same, but power are not same. So, these terms are unlike terms. These terms are unlike terms. Okay, here the variables are the same, but power of x here 2 and the power of x here 1. So these powers are not same. So these two terms are unlike terms. Okay, children, observe that we do not bother to check the power of y in each case. Remember, if the power of one of the variable is different, if the power of one of the variable is different, the terms become unlike. Okay, take one more example. 8x by z and 8 x by. Are these terms are like or unlike? In this, the first term have the variable x by z, but in the second term has the variable x and y only. Okay, both the terms have different variables. This term have x by z 3 variables, and this term has only 2 variables, x and y. Hence these are unlike terms, okay, because they don't have the same variable. So these are unlike terms. Okay, children, just remember these two things. Okay, first of all, you have to remember that we have to look at the variable, not at the constant. Okay, so first thing is we have to check the variables are same or not, and the second thing is check the power. Okay, so just remember these two things and you would have no problem understanding the types of terms. Okay, thank you.